Sherburne, Senior Editor, What They Think, and I'm here with Paolo Torricella from EFI Reggiani.
Perfect.
Digital textile expert.
Perfect, thank you.
So Reggiani recently introduced the EFI Bolt, which is a single-pass digital textile printer that operates at up to 90 meters a minute.
Correct.
And it's a really interesting story about how you came to develop this printer press, and how the focus was on it being as green as possible. So can you talk about all the different elements that you looked at to make it a green process?
Yeah, I mean, single pass as of today has got some speed limitation, which are due to the amount of ink that the printer can jet. For example, if you're printing a heavy fabric, you have to slow it down. But also you have to do steam, wash, pre-treatment, post-treatment, and that requires a massive amount of water. So what we did is think about all the issues which are affecting digital single pass today, and we decided to start from scratch and design our own printer, which, for example, is having continuous circulation in the nozzle, so you don't have to stop the machine or slow it down. It is a self-cleaning system because it's got an intelligence on board thanks to a high-speed camera, which is checking continuously the nozzle, but also is the first in its species, which is combining digital and conventional.
Okay,
in one
footprint.
Absolutely, you can have up to 3 conventional screens. You can lay down solids. You can apply glitter, metallics, combined with digital.
That's terrific. And I understand also that you recapture the ink.
Absolutely. So the heads, the electronic, the carbon fiber bar, they are all enclosed. And just make sure that you have a dust-free environment. Air conditioning and climate control are not necessary any longer.
Okay.
Also the water filtration, which is a key element today in the green economy, is carried by the printer by itself. So you don't have to provide external water treatment or whatever.
And the ink you recapture 95%?
Yeah, every time you clean a printing head, you actually purge the ink with high pressure out of the nozzles.
Okay.
Due to the fact that this is a continuous circulation technology, we recover 95% of the ink which is normally lost during purging.
Okay.
So you capture 2 aspects, economical and environmental.
Okay.
So economical, you save something like $30,000, $50,000, $100,000 every year, but also you save a lot of water because you don't have to waste it down or to drain it out.
Right. And then there's also some energy saving aspects of the machine.
Yeah, every time something accelerates, it uses energy. Every time something decelerates, normally it burns energy. With our kinetic Siemens system, we recover the energy and we bring it back to the electrical cabinet.
And if you are using pigment inks, well, you can use any kind of ink in there you want, but if you were using pigment inks, then when the fabric comes out of the printer, then what do you have to do to it?
Well, sell it.
Well, no, you want to sell it before you print it.
That's even better. So with the mini factory of the PAM, so purchase activated manufacturing, you actually produce only when you got the order, means that you got the money up front, no inventory.
And that makes it greener too, because we don't have the waste associated.
Yeah, but also logistic, the energy necessary to move fabric, to move container, collection, samples. With our 3D technology, you can create a collection without having the fabric in hands. And with our color correction features, what you see on the screen is what you will get 24 hours later with Amazon Prime maybe, delivered to your house with a special packaging, matching what is inside your package.
That's terrific. So we really appreciate all your efforts to helping to protect
our
Mother
pleasure.
Earth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.